know what is the features of Python?
Features.
Yeah.
So it is based on English and it is very easy to learn.
Okay. Okay. And
Mm.
which kind of software we can create using the Python? Which kind
Sir,
of?
so we can do web development backend.
Okay.
We can do app development and machine learning
Okay.
and so
Okay.
this much.
Okay. Okay. Can you see? Can you see that is written over here? Some points.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can do software development. We can do web development. It's already written over here, server side scripting. And we can do mathematical computations very easily. And we can do automation scripting also, like machine learning and all. Mobile applications also we can create. So there are the different, kind of discussions we can create on the applications of Python. Got it?
Okay,
Now,
sir.
if you see, uh, you know how to install Python and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you already installed. Okay, so if we see what are the computation language of Python for the machine learning, so there is a language, if you know, that is a R, you know.
Yes, sir. I know her.
Yeah. So some developer also use R, but mostly Python is the most popular language uh, for the machine learning, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the main benefit you think of using the Python? Main benefit.
Sir, if we write a code in
Hmm.
JavaScript,
Hmm.
sir, it will basically take about 100 to 200 lines of code.
Yes,
But sir, in Python, it can be done in 40 to 50 lines.
got it. So basically, we can say Python is a very simple language, right? The basic
Yes, sir.
conclusion is that the Python is the simplest language and we need very, very less code, right? We need
Yes,
to
sir.
code very, very less. Suppose if we are using Java, then we have to, if I have to print my name, then I have to at least use 10 to 12 lines of the code, right? Class declaration, then braces start, then main, create the main and all, then function declaration, then the command of printing. But in Python, with the help of single line, I can print my name, right? Like this is the example. This is the example, right?
Yes, sir.
If I have to print welcome to Python, then I need only the print command, right?
Yes, sir.
तो आपको ये आउटपुट मिल जाएगी. You will get the output welcome to Python like this. Clear? Now we'll discuss some what is the history of Python. So basically main three versions are there: Python 1, 2 and 3. If we use C and Java, then we need some functions which starts the execution of the program. But in case of Python, it don't need, like Java and C, there is a main function that starts the execution of the program. But in case of Python, that's not at all. So directly the function executes and the code executes without any special functions like main, right?
Yes, sir.
So the next session is on how we can install the Python. You are already aware. So there is a Python link. You can go to the Google and you can search the website where the Python, exe file is over there. You can download it and you can install it very easily, right? But
Yes, sir.
have you tried your program on basic console of the Python? Means basic command line. Have you tried it?
Sir, command line, I have not written the code in it, but I have run the code in it.
Okay.
Sir, from starting, I was not having a Visual Studio, which is
Okay.
my editor. So, sir, I tried a lot to do in it, but after each line, when I pressed enter, the code was running.
Yes, yes,
That's
yes.
why the
Okay,
problem.
okay. So this is basically in the next session we have a link that how to install the software. So basically this is the link www.python.org.downloads. Here you will get the exe. You can download that exe and you can run. I have installed on my machine a PyCharm. So this is the PyCharm link. If you have Visual Studio, you can run from there as well. You can run from a Spider. Lot of editors are there. You can use any of them, right?
Yes, sir.
Basic differences are there, like how we can run, how to create new classes and all. But the common funda is the same, right?
Yes, sir.
So these are some, or also like Jupyter we can use, Spider we can use, PyCharm we can use. You are using Visual Studio, not a problem. Fine.
Fine, sir.
Now, very common thing, variable, right?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
comfortable with the variable?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So there are different languages supports, like you have to declare a variable of any particular type, right?
Yes, sir.
But in case of Python, we don't need to declare the type of the variable, right?
Yes, sir. We
Am I
just
right?
need to write. Yes, sir.
If you are using C language, Java language, then you have to declare a variable like int I, string name, float MRP. But in case of Python, there is a same type of the variable. So it's automatically typecasted into the type, which type of value it's holding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these are the three types of the variables I have already declared, like A equal to 10 and B equal to Python tutorial.
Bye.
Similarly, C equal to 5.4. So C is storing the float type value, B
Total.
is storing a string value, and A is storing a integer value, numeric value, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose I have to store a string variable, then I can use either the double quote or the single quote as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Both meaning is the same, right? So, Ojas, do you know how to declare multiple variables?
Yes, sir. And one line.
One line, yeah. Do you know
Yes, sir.
how?
Sir, like ABC, sir, A, comma, then B, then comma, then C is equals to, and then the value of A,
Mhm.
then
Good.
comma, and then value
Yes,
of B.
perfect. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Not yet. Good. So, if you have to declare multiple variables, you can do. Fine. So, these are
Yes,
basic
sir.
some kind of conversions written over here. If you'll get the access of this software, you can do yourself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So basically this is a program like a is equal to 10, and there is another variable message equal to, this is welcome to Python, and there is a print a. So what is the output? This is the output 10, right? If I
Yes,
print
sir.
message, this is the output, welcome to Python. And as you know, by default the output comes to the new line. If we want on the same line, we want to print it, then I already told you, you can do.
Yes. Sir, end is equals to, and then
Yes,
uh,
yes, fine. So now this is a basic program, you know already. These are two numbers and we are adding a plus b. So it will give what output? 7. Fine, clear?
yes, sir.
Now if we add two different type of the numbers. First number is what? Decimal
Sir,
number.
4.7
Yeah. And another number is, yes,
integer.
that is an integer numeric value, not decimal value. Fine. So if we add these two numbers a plus b, the output is
11.5.
11.5. So it's automatically typecasted to the float. So answer is in float, right? I
Yes, sir.
have a variable that is an integer, another variable that is in float. But if I add two numbers, one is integer and one is float, then the answer is float, right?
Float.
If both the numbers are float, definitely their output will be float,
Float.
right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if we concatenate two variables which are what?
Sir,
Both are of same type. Clear? Like a string.
Yes.
Both are of string type. So if I use plus, that means I am concatenating those two variables. Fine. So the output is what?
It's a Python tutorial.
Yeah. Clear? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Output will be same or some differences?
Sir, no, it will be the same.
Okay. But there will not be the space. Right? Space is not
Sir, yes,
automatically over
because
there.
the string space is not there at the end
Yeah,
of
yeah.
the string.
So for using the space, what I can do, either I can insert the space after the Python or before the tutorial. Clear?
Yes.
So if I talk about this output, Python and tutorial, no space between them. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Clear? Now, that is another example. Suppose I want to add two variables. One is the integer numeric variable and the another is the string variable. Fine?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the output?
Sir, error.
Error. Already written over there.
Sir,
Clear?
yes, but I didn't read it.
Okay. First time you are watching this, like there is an error if we try to add number and string. Have you
No,
tried it?
sir, many times. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can try this example on your machine. Do it. Take two variables of different type. One is a string type, another int type, and try it.
Sir, shall I share my screen?
Yeah. I'm stop sharing.
Sir, error.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So rest of the programs you can try out yourself. Like this is A. This is what?
E.
A. And its value is 10. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Another variable is B. And what is its value? 20. It's two
Sir,
times. Fine.
20.
It's 10 and it's 20. Fine.
Yes,
Now
sir.
in the next line, I am writing a command. Fine. It's 10, it's 20. It's clear. Now in the next line, what I am doing, this is A, 10. And this is B, 20. Okay. So this is what?
Okay, sir.
A plus B. What is it?
A plus B.
One second. This is A. And this is B. Fine.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
So this is what I write its name. This is what? This is we write A
A plus B.
is equal to A plus B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now after this, what is the value of A and what is the value of B? You tell me.
Sir, the value of A will be so 30.
Yes. And value of B?
Sir, 20.
Yes, fine. Clear?
Yes, sir.
After this line, after this command, the value of A is 30 and the value of B is similar 20. The same value previously it was containing. Fine. In the
Yes,
next
sir.
line, what I'm writing here the command B is equal to A.
Minus B.
Yes. Got it? So,
Yes, sir.
so what is the value of B?
Sir, A minus B.
Calculate the value.
Sir, 10.
How?
Sir, sir, A is equals to 30.
Yeah.
So, and B
Now
was
the
20.
value of A is not 10. That's changed 30. After this line, the value of A is 10, 30 na? Second previous
Yes,
line. Because previous A value gone, 10 value gone. Now A is 30 and B is 20. Fine.
yes, sir.
After this line, if I'm on the third line, now what is the value of B? That is 10 because 30 minus 20, that is 10. So now V is what? After this line, what is the value of B?
Sir, 10.
It's A is the same. A is the same. Fine. A is what? Still A is 30.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is A. And what is B? B is now converted.
Uh,
Fine. Now this is A. Now this is A. And this is B.
B.
After these two commands. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now B is swapped. And now I want only A value changed. So what I can do? You try
Sir,
yourself.
A minus B.
A is equal to
A minus B.
minus B. Yes. A is what?
Sir,
30.
A minus. Sir, now
A is 30 and B is 10. So 30 minus 10 is what?
sir, 20.
So now A converts back to 20. Fine? 20.
Yes,
And B is what?
sir, 10.
Clear? Any doubt?
Yes. No, sir.
Fine.
Yes.
Now you know how the logic is being built. Clear?
Yes.
So in the calculation, the value are not mixed up. See, this is my 10 and this is your, and when they are mixed, we cannot extract values. Fine?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, no.